Hi everyone, good morning. This is Joyce and welcome to another DIY Friday. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I am coming to you all today with a DIY on a choker necklace that I purchased that I'm going to make with these beads that I got from Walmart. Now, I did a video. If you go to the Walmart effect video, as a matter of fact, I will put that video in the description box. But if you go to the Walmart effect video, you'll see exactly where I found these beads. So here are the items that we're going to need for this DIY. You're going to need a package of these. Now, like I said, I got these from Walmart, and in here you have 6. You're going to need 8mm 16. You're going to need 16mm. You're going to need 8 16mm beads, and these are black. Now, you don't necessarily have to have black. You can use whatever color you want. But to achieve the look that I am going to show you all how to do, you're going to need 8 of them. You are going to need your wire cutters, ladies and gentlemen, which are these. You're not going to need your round nose pliers. You're going to need your wire cutters to cut your suede cord. And your suede cord, ladies and gentlemen, is going to have to be 52 inches, which it is an equivalent to 4 feet and 4 inches. So the first thing we're going to do is put our 2 pieces together. Okay, just like this. We're going to come up to the top and we're going to tie a knot in it. Just like that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I had to do a correction on my video. I gave the wrong dimensions earlier for this choker. This choker should be 52 inches long or 4 feet and 4 inches. So I stand to be corrected, okay? And I thank you. I don't remember who it was because I was out and I deleted my video because I didn't want to keep giving people the wrong information. So thank you. I appreciate it, whoever brought that to my attention. What we're going to do is we're going to take our beads and we're going to start applying them to our suede cord. So we're going to take the bead like this with the 2 holes and we're going to just put this through and pull it down. Okay, this is what you're going to have. Then we're going to take one of your 16mm beads and we're going to put both pieces through the hole. And all you're going to do is repeat the process. That's all you're going to do. This is just something really simple, something really quick, but it's a very cute choker. I'm going to do a couple of these to show you guys the concept, and then I'm going to finish it up. You're going to add another bead. And the reason why I'm using the 16mm beads, ladies and gentlemen, is because the holes are really, really big. So that you can get both pieces of the suede cord in there. So you can pretty much see where I am going with this project. So what I am going to do is I am going to add this last bead. I'm going to finish it up. I'm going to add all my beads on there except for 2 because I'm going to show you at the end where to put those last 2 16mm beads. And then I am going to come back. So this is what we have so far. So I'm going to finish it and I'm going to come back and show you how to finish it off. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I am going to show you all how to wear this choker. So this is what it looks like. And you have your beads down on the end. I have on black, y'all, so that's why it's... Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put this on. So you're just going to put it on your neck, over your neck like this. You're going to bring it around. And the reason for this hole right here is so that you can put these through the hole. So you got one, and then you put the other one through, and then you're just going to pull it just like this, because you know how sometimes when you get stuff or you make stuff, you don't really know how you're going to wear it. You're going to pull it. You're going to separate the two. You're going to separate the two like this, and you're going to pull, and you're going to bring them both around. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to tie it, because you have just enough to tie it. Wait a minute. Bring it around, and you're going to tie it, and then you're going to just make a little bow. And there you have it. I'm trying to make sure. And here is your choker. And this is different. This is very, very stylish. You can wear it. This is more like a dress, I guess you could say a dress down. You can dress this up or dress it down. It depends on what you have it on, or what you have on and what you are wearing, your outfit. But I thought that this was really cute. And these are from the beads that I got from Walmart. These beads right here, the 16 millimeter beads, I got from my local like beauty supply store. Y'all go in there, because they have different stuff. When you want to do something different, go to those places, because they will have different beads and different things that you can pull apart, and you can come up with something totally different. So I want to thank you all for watching today. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome Friday, and enjoy your weekend. And I will see you, ladies and gentlemen, back here on DIY Monday. Y'all have a wonderful weekend. See ya. Peace and blessings. See ya.